Okay, quiet please. So this example is like two of the homework problems that almost always cause all kinds of questions, and it is exactly like the example. So pay attention. Again, use it like a template. Try to do what I do. Just hold your problem right up next to it and do the same thing. Right? So find the standard form of the equation for the parabola with the vertex at 1, 2, and it goes through the point 3, negative 6. So the first important thing is we want the standard form, which means we want this one. F of x is a times x minus h squared plus k. Right? In order to have the standard form, we need to know a, h, and k. X and f of x, those are variables. It's like x and y. They're going to be in the final form of the function. Right? You don't want those to go away. So we need to find what are the values of a, h, and k. Well, two of those you already know, don't you? Yeah. You know the h and the k. So substitute for those right away. Right? Write it like this. F of x equals a times x minus 1 squared plus 2. Okay, now, what's the only thing we need to fill in for? Just the a, okay? Well, there must be some reason why they gave you a point, not the vertex. And the reason is so that you can plug in here for x and y. And then the only thing you won't know is a. Solve for it. So at this step, substitute those values of x and y. Right, that's x, that's y. Y is the same thing as f of x. So we'll put this in negative 6 equals a times 3 minus 1 squared plus 2. Solve for a. Right? Subtract 2. So a equals negative 2. Okay. Once you know what the a is, you got to go back to here, right? And plug in for the a. So f of x equals negative 2 times x minus 1 squared plus 2. So like I said, you have two homework problems like that. They both give you the vertex and one other point. It's exactly what you're supposed to do.